In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add items to cart on Alibaba. We'll walk through finding a product, choosing the right options, and adding it to your cart so everything is saved and ready for checkout. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Alibaba's official website. If you're searching from a search engine, click the official Alibaba result to land on the home page. For a smoother experience and to make sure your cart syncs across devices, sign in to your account before you start browsing. Being logged in ensures your selections are saved and helps avoid repeating steps later. From the home page, you can scroll to explore featured categories, but the fastest way is to use the search bar at the top. Type clear keywords for what you need, like women's clothing, and press enter. On the results page, you'll see a wide range of listings. Take a moment to refine your search using filters like price range, minimum order quantity, shipping destination, or supplier verification. This helps you find options that match your budget and requirements. When you spot an item you like, click its image or title to open the product page. Here, review the details carefully. Available colors and sizes, price tiers, minimum order quantity, processing time, and any notes from the supplier. You'll usually see an Add to Cart button near the Buy Now button. Before adding the item to your cart, select the variations you want. Choose the color and size that fit your needs. If the product has multiple options, make sure each required selection is chosen. Otherwise, Alibaba will prompt you to complete them. Next, set your quantity. Use the plus sign next to the size or quantity field to increase the number of units. Pay attention to the minimum order quantity and any price breaks that might apply when you order more. Once your color, size, and quantity are set, click Add to Cart. If you tapped Add to Cart earlier, the site may guide you to finish selecting your options first. That's normal. After you click, look for a confirmation pop-up or a message indicating the item was added successfully. From there, you can continue shopping to add more items or go to your cart to review everything. As a final tip, double-check your cart for accurate variations and quantities, and note that shipping methods and final costs are usually calculated at checkout or after you share your address. And that's it. Now you know how to add items to your cart on Alibaba quickly and confidently.